Weary of hoping for Shiba Inu to achieve superstar status? Yes, you and hashtag 039, definitely not alone if you and hashtag 039, nodding along. The once promising cryptocurrency has struggled to regain its previous shine after turning ordinary investors become billionaires virtually overnight. But the Shiba Inu dev team ISN and hashtag 039, slowing down. In fact, they and hashtag 039, revealing some really ambitious initiatives that might completely change the game and hashtag 039's trajectory in the future. What exactly are these revolutionary projects, then? Will Shiba Inu truly bring in $1 million for us? In 5, 10, or even 15 years, how will this token fare? Let and hashtag 039's go into the details and see where Shiba Inu could go. You should and hashtag 039 take this video as financial advice, it and hashtag 039 just for educational purposes. Putting money into cryptocurrencies is risky and subject to a lot of volatility. Prior to making any financial decisions, be sure you have done your own research. During the 2021 bull market, Shiba Inu and hashtag 039's meteoric rise made it one of the most talked about coins. It captivated a vast audience and turned small investments into substantial wealth. Massive interest in meme coins was sparked by early adopters who realized its potential and kept on to their positions, seeing stratospheric gains. However, the price of Shiba Inus plummeted as the market cycle shifted to a bearish one. Many are questioning whether the token can make a comeback or if its greatest days are behind it because it is currently trading at a discount of more than 80% from its all-time high. There have been plenty of ups and downs for Shiba Inus in the cryptocurrency market, which is infamously unstable. Its problems are the result of a web of interrelated causes, such as shifting investor attitude, fiercer competition in the cryptocurrency industry, and external market dynamics. But the adventure of the Shiba Inu is just beginning. It has instead entered a new stage that prioritizes growth and innovation over the short term. Future plans for Shiba Inu revolve around expanding its ecosystem, with the Shibarium network serving as its vanguard. To reduce the quantity of Shiba Inu tokens circulating, Shibarium includes a method for token burning. The goal of this burn approach is to make resources scarce. An essential concept that propels the worth of financial markets. The Shiba Inu team and hashtag 039's goal is to raise demand and, by extension, the token and hashtag 039's value by gradually reducing its supply in the market. The Shibarium network is more than simply a system for burning tokens. It and hashtag 039's an all-inclusive plan to make Shiba Inu more useful. Shiba Inu is a better choice for developers and users since the network allows for cheaper and faster transactions and facilitates the creation of decentralized applications, dApps. After starting out as a meme coin, Shiba Inu has now shifted its focus to utility and ecosystem expansion, making it a formidable competitor in the cryptocurrency market. So, what does the future hold for Shiba Inus according to experts? Market analysts remain optimistic despite the present difficulties. An exciting forecast for Shiba Inu has been offered by a website that specializes in cryptocurrency predictions. They predicted that the token and hashtag 039's value may rise to 3 cents in the next years. This may sound like a lofty objective, but remember that according to Telegon, keeping Shiba Inus over the long haul is crucial. With the crypto market continuing to develop, Telegon and hashtag 039's predictions go beyond simple short-term gains. According to their findings, Shiba Inu could see a price surge if the next bull market reawakens interest in the breed. It is believed that Shiba Inu will be able to overcome present obstacles and take advantage of future opportunities because to its strategic efforts and the strong support it receives from the community. It is vital to examine the larger cryptocurrency environment in order to comprehend the potential of Shiba Inu. Oftentimes, the entire crypto business is influenced by Bitcoin. The market leader. In this insightful analysis, Bitcoin expert Ali Martinez delves into the historic 4-year cycle of halving occurrences, which usually caused substantial price fluctuations. Altcoins like Shiba Inu may be affected by the next Bitcoin halving, which is predicted to occur in April 2024, as the cryptocurrency enters another bullish phase. It would be an understatement to say that Bitcoin is the market leader. There is a strong correlation between its price and the emotions and actions of crypto investors. A bullish trend in Bitcoin and #039's price could have a domino effect that helps Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrencies. Because of how interdependent everything is, keeping an eye on Bitcoin and #039's success as a barometer of market movements is crucial. Martinez forecasts that the current Bitcoin cycle may reach a peak in December 2025, after which there will be a bearish phase in 2026. Updates, such as the possible introduction of an American spot Bitcoin ETF, could derail this trend, though. The typical cycle of Bitcoin might be disrupted if institutional investors were to flock to such an ETF, which would bring stability and mainstream adoption. These changes bring advantages and disadvantages for people who own Shiba Inus. A positive Bitcoin cycle, on the one hand, may reawaken people and #039's interest in other cryptocurrencies. However, strategic planning and adaptation are more important than ever before due to the changing dynamics of the industry. How well Shiba Inus handle these changes will be a major factor in how far it goes in the future. Particularly interesting is Telegram and #039's outlook on Shiba Inu in the long run, as opposed to just the short term. According to the site, the token is expected to reach a maximum price of 9 cents by 2040, after which it will surpass the 3-cent mark. Shiba Inu and #039's ecosystem fires will drastically cut token supply, leading to a scarcity impact that will increase token value, which is the premise around which my forecast is built. If you and #039 rethinking about investing in Shiba Inus, Telegram says you need to be patient and have a long-term strategy. Although there will be volatility in the short term, the token might not reach its full potential for a few years. This drawn-out period highlights the need of investors taking a strategic, future-oriented approach when contemplating a Shiba Inu investment. However, how does this impact the typical Shiba Inu owner? The Shiba Inu community is strong and devoted, with over 1.3 million members. A vital asset for the token and #039's future growth, this community-driven support has been important in supporting it through hard times. A solid basis for Shiba Inu and #039's ongoing development is the widespread conviction in its potential and the active engagement in its ecosystem. The dedication of the Shiba Inu development team to innovation and the expansion of the ecosystem adds even more value to the coin. Shiba Inu attempts to differentiate itself from other meme coins by emphasizing practicality, smart token burning, and community involvement. As the Bitcoin industry grows more competitive and complex, this evolution is crucial. Looking ahead, a mix of internal strategic efforts and external market pressures will surely influence Shiba Inu and #039's trajectory. There will be obstacles on the path to recovery and beyond.